Alright, so today, if you guys remember, I have a set of RS5 brakes. They're 8 pistons, 365 millimeter rotor, and we're gonna put them on Dan's Allroad because they wouldn't clear my brakes. Dan's here, and he has new Rohana wheels. He's tucking 20 by 11s. Damn, girl. Oh. There she goes. That's a 20 by 11. Getting tucked. But your brakes look kind of small. Maybe we should change that.
Maybe. There's too much room for activities and not enough activity occurring.
Alright, so many hours later, we have the brake rotor off. We are ready to put on the 365 millimeter disc. A little bit of time later again, we have the RS calipers on. I love the way these things look. I wish I could have run these. I'm happy that Dan's running them though. Dan has such a big wheel that it actually makes these brakes look like normal sized, even though they're huge 8 pistons. Here's the final product, aired up. They look nice. Today we're gonna get the S4 all cleaned up because if you see that, that is all pollen on the roof, even though I went through a car wash 2 days ago. And on top of that, I'm gonna vacuum it too because it's way overdue for a vacuuming. So we're gonna do that first. I find if I wash the outside before I wash the inside, I get really unmotivated, but I like the outside washing part. So inside first, then outside. So in the process of vacuuming out here, got the driver's seat done. You know what's weird is under my passenger seat, there's this weird second plate that Massachusetts gives you. I don't know why they give you 2 plates. You know, it's kind of, oh, Joe's here. And Joe has the same
I found this in the back of my car.
Yeah, same extra second plate. I don't know why they give us those.
I already have one.
Yeah, I already have one on the back of mine too. This is the stuff that I use to clean my Alcantara seats. It's basically just soap that you spray on a microfiber and then you rub it into the seats. It smells awesome, it works great, would highly recommend. Not a sponsored product or anything, just something I recommend. We were trying to get cinematic shots, and then the Osmo died, so now you guys just have to watch me wash my car. Alright, so if you guys don't remember, this is a product that we tested last year. It's called Hydro 2. That's a product by CarPro. It's a silica spray, so it's 1 step under ceramic, but you just dilute it 1 part to 6. Spray it on the paint and then power wash it off, and it essentially coats your car in like a semi-ceramic coating, a silica coating. If you're an older subscriber, you've seen this in videos before, but if you're new, we'll show you how easy it is to use. Not an endorsed product again, just a product that I really, really like because it's super easy to use. So now that we have it coated, drying the car is the easiest thing. Start, is it recording now?
Yes.
Okay.
Like an airplane.
There's so much traffic today. Not bad.
Yeah, that gets up there.
Ready?
Yep. Yes.
First gear is good.
Yeah, that's awesome. It's so smooth.
Yeah.
It's not like my car where you're like, well, you've obviously driven,
Yeah.
you know what you're talking about.
But it's super linear.
Yeah. Overpass.
Alright guys, well there you have it. The S4 is all cleaned up. Actually, it's not. It's a couple days later and it's like, it's dirty again. Especially the roof. But with the Hydro, the dirt comes off much easier. So I should be able just to rinse it and all the dirt hopefully will come right off. Sorry about the dirty lens. I was editing this footage last night and it was like, so apologies for that. I hope you enjoyed the Star Wars themed episodes of Dusty Lens. Video was a little bit shorter than usual. I haven't had that much time to film recently, but this weekend we have some stuff going on. So hopefully I'll have a good video for you guys on Sunday. As always, thank you guys for watching. Go out there and spread some positivity and I will catch you guys in the next video.